Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see the latest version NS-3.47 to be installed in Macbook Air M4. So my M4 has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage, and then in this I am just going to install it. So the procedure is very simple. Already in our channel we have the installation of Mac M1. The same instruction will follow here. First you copy paste this line here. We have to install homebrew software. Since I have already installed it, so that's why it is not showing any errors or anything here because it's already installed. Now next command you can copy paste it here. We need to add in the .zprofile the path information. We have to add it. So in that users Pradeep Kumar TS is my user ID. So in your case your home ID whatever is there you can give that. Once it is done, then we have to use xcode. So xcode is very important here because it's a development library for Mac OS. So xcode, if you already install, it's fine. Since I have already installed, all the command line tools are already installed because we have to install command line tools in xcode. Since that is also installed because I am running the developmental libraries. And now we have to use the homebrew software. In this we are using cmake, ninja, gnuplot and the ccache for installing these entire packages. So let us go one by one. So since everything is installed, so this command might be taking some extra time because this will take some time to get downloaded and installed. Since in my machine it's already been downloaded and installed, so it is saying that it's already installed. Then after that, wget is a software to download anything from the internet. So it is like a download manager. So we can use wget here. So once wget is installed, we give the URL directly to download NS all-in-one 3.47. Okay. Now here let us copy this line NS 3.47. Once you do that, and this will be downloaded, and here it is downloaded NS 3.47.tar.bz2. And once you can see that ls, so the file is already downloaded NS all-in-one 3.47.tar.bz2. Now we can unzip it using this command tar jxvf and ns all-in-one 3.47.tar.bz2. So once it is done, the entire package will be unzipped or untarred, what we call, and we can go inside ns all-in-one 3.47, then ns 3.47. In this our command is /ns3 configure --enable examples --enable tests. So I just given all these things in the description window below. You can copy paste it as it is. So once this command is given, it will first initially configuring it by checking all the prerequisites. Now there are many modules are being built, but some modules are not being built. You can see that these modules like AI, Defiance, OpenFlow, these modules are not being built because they need some more extra packages to be installed. Maybe in the future version I can show you. Now after that /ns3 build, when you type it is completely built. Now after it is built, because the building process might take some time, but I have for the shorter duration of the video I just disconnected that, and in case it will be completely installed, it took around 10 minutes of my time. And because Macbook is relatively faster compared to other Linux or Windows based machines, so it was installed within 10 minutes. Now to check whether my installation is successful or not, I installed the /ns3 run first, second, third, and even seventh. Seventh is a TCP congestion control that also installed successfully. You can see here /ns3 run 7th.cc, or you can simply 7th. So it will be telling you the congestion window calculation of this. So that means our package installed successfully, and I have given all the instructions below in the description window. Whatever commands I copy pasted, I just give it to you so that you can directly install in Macbook M4, and which is very easy to understand. And the model which you are not been able to build, I'll be giving you in the subsequent videos and part 2 videos where how to install all the modules of AI, quantum, then other Defiance and other modules. So how do we install, we will see it. So hope you might have liked this video. So please subscribe to our channel, and please send this video to your friends, those who are doing researches, and ask them to follow my channel also, because my channel contains advanced network simulations of 5G, 6G networks and all other networks. So thanks for watching. Thank you.